National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Northport Light, Wisconsin, until 11:30 a.m. At 10:22 a.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cedar Grove to 11 nautical miles west of Port Washington, moving southeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots with showers. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Port Washington. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.